Inlet airspeed and humidity are key indicators of correct ventilation settings and should both be assessed regularly. This video will review how to correctly measure both airspeed and humidity in a barn. To obtain these measurements, you will need an anemometer and a humidity pen or probe. PIC prefers to use a Kestrel 3000, which measures both airspeed and humidity. To measure airspeed at the inlet, identify an inlet inside the barn with good integrity. Hold the anemometer 1 to 3 inches from the opening of the inlet so that the airstream blows through the vanes of the anemometer. If the opening of the inlet is narrower than the vanes on the anemometer, manually open the inlet to ensure sufficient volume for an accurate measurement. This will not impact the overall airspeed for the barn and will allow for a more accurate measurement. You should now read and record the maximum airspeed displayed. PIC recommends obtaining measurements in feet per minute with a target of 600 to 800 feet per minute for most barns. It is recommended to measure airspeed at 3 to 4 inlets throughout the barn. If you manually opened inlets further, be sure to return them to their original setting. To begin measuring humidity, be sure the humidity probe has had time to reach room temperature so the measurement is not skewed. Do not cover the sensor on the probe. Be cautious of where the probe measures humidity. Once the probe is acclimated to the room, it is recommended to check humidity in multiple pens throughout the room. Avoid measuring too close to inlets and heaters. To obtain a final reading for the room, calculate the average of all measurements taken. If any measurements are significantly higher than the average, note their location. PIC recommends a target of 50 to 65% relative humidity. To ensure correct ventilation settings, it is important to regularly measure both airspeed and humidity. Achieving ideal airspeed and humidity allows for improved production. For more information, contact your PIC representative. Visit pic.com or email our wean-to-finish team at wean-to-finish@genusplc.com.